Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are in Moston, a suburban area in North Manchester, and I'm taking you on a full walking tour down Lewis Avenue, a street that really showcases the character of this neighborhood and the surrounding area in this end here in Moston. So we're beginning our tour at the beginning of Lewis Avenue, right by the Boggart Hole Clough, which is honestly one of the gems. This park behind here, which is one of the gems here in North Manchester. It's a massive green space with over 170 acres and filled with woodland trails, ponds, sports areas and picnic spots. Locals come here for jogging and dog walking or just enjoying a peaceful afternoon. It's a family friendly and adds a really nice touch of nature to an otherwise urban area. So the houses around here are mainly post-war semis and newer builds. Very clean and well maintained. It has that cozy, well kept vibe, and it feels safe and organized in this corner of Moston. If you are looking for a quieter end of Moston, then I think this is it. So let's head further down Lewis Avenue and see how this area looks like. But already it looks very different to the deep Moston that I know of. I'd never visited this other part of Moston. I've been to Moston Lane and other areas, but this part I'd never visited it before. So it's quite a pleasant surprise. As I said at the beginning, it looks quite organized, clean, quiet and safe at the moment. Just a few minutes walk down one of these streets, for example, this one here, just right at the end, which will be less than 5 minutes, that will bring a lot of action and activity around here in Moston. That would be the main street, Moston Lane, right at the end of this street. But let's continue walking further up and see what this area looks like and what it has possibly to offer. As we head anyways further down Lewis Avenue, the scenery changes. Yeah, here we've got beautiful houses. It looks quiet and well kept, clean, and as I said, it transmits that safety, The weather is very nice today. It's sunny, and it gives you that energy naturally to want to come out and do something. And for people like us who vlog in the streets, it's quite a good opportunity. And in a city like this where it rains all the time, it's quite a good opportunity to come here and be able to bring some content. But the sun directly from that side is not really good for my camera the way I'm holding it. But I hope it has not interfered with the images much. So as I was saying, as we head further down Lewis Avenue, the scenery changes. You can see now that the houses shift from newer builds to older terraced homes. Look at this, some dating back to the early 20th centuries. And not all the areas are well kept. You'll see some rubbish along the way, like we're seeing now. Some front yards overgrown, and maybe broken fences, or a broken fence or two. Typical small convenience or corner shop in the neighborhood, like the one that we've seen just in front of us here. So this is not to say it's bad, it's just real. Many homes here are still owner occupied or rented by long-term tenants, and the community is strong, but the difference in upkeep is definitely visible, and this contrast is something that defines Moston as a whole. So some areas here in this town or neighborhood of Moston are undergoing regeneration, while others are waiting for that investment or that needed investment to come. But you can see the shift. It has been, like from where we started to here, it's a big shift. It's the surroundings look totally different. So let's talk about the people. So Moston has become a melting pot of cultures, and you've got long time locals, a strong African and Caribbean presence, plus newer residents from Eastern Europe and Asia. And because of this, Moston has developed its own identity. You'll find African hair shops, Polish bakeries, halal takeaways, and multicultural churches and mosques, all coexisting on and around Moston Lane, which is just some few minutes away from here. We did it long time ago when I started my YouTube journey. Maybe you want to revisit those videos, though the quality is not that great, and I might want to go back to do them with a proper camera. But this area of the Moston Lane is the main shopping strip. It's a whole street full of shops and some cafes, eateries, and also very diverse. So it is this diversity that adds life and energy to the community. So you are never short of different food, culture, and friendly faces. So we are going to continue walking around these streets here, just to see how these other areas around Lewis Avenue, there's the Hodge Street that we've passed by, just to see how they look like. So I'll try to do a few streets, a couple or three streets that if we went straight all the way down, that would bring us to Moston Lane. But I'm not gonna walk all the way to Moston Lane, but I just so that you can have an idea of how this the place and neighborhood looks like. Looks very quiet, different, but we will come to other things later. So in terms of the location, Moston is super convenient. It's one of those neighborhoods. You are only about 4 miles from Manchester city centre, which is roughly 15 to 20 minutes by train or bus. The Moston train station links you directly to the Victoria station, and buses like 81, 88, 180, 118, 119, 113 or 112, you can see there's plenty. All of them run frequently through the area, and they will be connecting you with the town centre and other neighborhoods here in Manchester, like for example Middleton. And along Moston Lane as well, they said there's quite a number of shops, but within the neighborhoods or the neighborhood or just 10 minutes away, you've got big supermarkets like you've got the Lidl, you've got Morrison's just not very far away from here, and then you've got Asda here in Hajways, and all, as I said, within some 10 minutes from most parts of this neighborhood. But also there's plenty of barbershops here along Moston Lane. There's GP surgeries not very far away, just within the neighborhood, and also takeaways. Plus, you're close to the major roads like the A62 and the M60 ring road if you drive. So it's, well connected. You want to buy a car? You got places where you can buy a used car right within the neighborhood. And in terms of schools, religion, and healthcare, Moston is home to several good and outstanding schools based on Ofsted reports, which is the ranking system that they use in this country, including Moston Fields Primary School as an example, or the Lily Lane Primary, and more. And for healthcare, you've got the North Manchester General Hospital, just a few minutes away in the nearby Cramsall neighborhood, which is literally about 5 minutes drive away from here. There's Christian churches, mosques, and spaces for other faiths too, reflecting the diversity we mentioned earlier. And if we are to speak about nightlife, pubs, and safety, one of the more controversial topics when it comes to Moston is safety. During the day, it's calm, especially on residential streets like this one. But locals will tell you that some areas feel a bit or slightly different at night, while violent crime is or could be. I don't want to say rampant, but it could be. Antisocial behavior or occasional break-ins or street-level activity can happen, especially closer to Moston Lane or some of the estates. It's not considered the safest part of Manchester, but that does not mean it is unsafe for everyone. There are also a few pubs and local bars, some more welcoming than others, and they add to the social vibe of the area if you are into that. And if you are that type of person who likes, I don't know, if you're looking for a place to relocate, and you're looking for a budget place to relocate, then Moston could be one of those areas. If you you could choose the right corner where to secure an apartment or a house. The biggest reason to check out Moston would be affordability. So roughly in this year 2025, a one bedroom could be anything between 600 and 750 pounds a month, and a three bedroom could be anything between 1,000 pounds and 1,200 a month. But if you're buying, for example, a two bed with terrace, around it should be between 125,000 pounds and 140 or 150,000, and that's for a two bedroom. But if it were a three bedrooms and semi-detached, for example, that will be between 160 and 1,000 and about 200,000. So these prices are quite different, for example, quite cheap compared to more gentrified parts of Manchester like Charlton, Didsbury's, or as well as Ancoats we've been already, where the prices can be double or even triple the ones we've just mentioned, either to rent or to buy. So especially for the first time buyers or new arrivals. So this will be almost our full walk through the Lewis Avenue and the wider Moston area around this end of the neighborhood. So I would like to know what your verdict is from what we have seen today. And if it's your first time, please do not forget to like the video, share it with friends and family, and mostly please subscribe to the channel, which goes by the name of Hajways. We also have our membership programs. Please feel free to join our membership programs because they're going to help this channel grow so that we can be able to visit other areas of the UK and other countries so that we can bring more content to you. So from myself, I would say that Moston is not a bad place to live. It's not far from, it is far from perfect, but it has pockets of charm, deep community roots, and affordable housing, which is becoming rare in Manchester these days. It is not fancy, it's not polished, but it is real, and for many families, immigrants and first-time buyers, it offers a chance to build a life. So let me know what you think in the comments. Would you live here? Would you have a house hunting? Are you hunting for a house in Manchester? Got any stories about Moston? I'd love to hear them. And don't forget, as I said, to like this video, subscribe for more real UK neighborhood walks, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.